Hey guys, it's Ryan. I just wanted to do a quick video. I was having a small conversation with somebody online and they asked if I could help them get cards, but they don't necessarily want to have the fancy cards. Let me tell you something, guys. It's really nice, I'm not going to lie. It's really nice to have cards like the American Express Platinum card. It's really nice to have cards like the Chase Sapphire Reserve card. And it's really nice to have cards like the Ritz-Carlton, which is a Visa Infinite card. Yeah, it's nice to have a card that's heavy, it's weighted, it's metal. It's cool, but at the end of the day, those cards don't make my credit score any better. The limits and the utilization ratios, they do help. But whether you're using a heavy, fancy American Express Platinum card or you're using a Discover It card, it's not going to change your credit score. The utilization factor will, but because of the card you use doesn't change your credit score. So just know, if you're just getting started, it doesn't matter. Just get a credit card and make sure you're not using a debit card. In fact, if I'm going to the supermarket, if I'm getting gas, groceries, or my regular Friday night pizza, I'm not using the Platinum card. I'm going to use the American Express Everyday card. Or, if I like cash back, I use this for MR points, which is the points that you get with American Express. If I'm not trying to get points, I could use my American Express Blue Cash card. Now, if I'm going out for dining, I'm not using the Amex card. In fact, I'm not even going to use the Ritz-Carlton card. I'm going to use either the American Express Premier Rewards Gold card, or I'm going to use the Discover It card, because right now, for this quarter, that's the best card. I could also use the Chase Sapphire Reserve card, because this gives me 3 points back for every dollar I spend. So the point is, guys, do a little due diligence. Find out what your end goal is. If you want to travel, get the American Express Platinum card. Get the Ritz-Carlton or the Chase Sapphire Reserve card. If you're not looking to travel, then just get the regular cards. You can get the cash, the American Express Blue Cash. You can get the Discover It or the Citi Double Cash card right now, which is a phenomenal card. 2% cash back on all purchases. Unlimited. Do a little homework, guys. The key is this. Use credit and keep your utilization low. The two biggest, most important things I can tell you is use your credit card, keep the utilization low, and make sure you never miss a payment. They're really the three most important things that you could ever keep in mind on a daily basis to better your scores, to manage your scores, and to have the best score that you could possibly have. So that's it, guys. Hope you found that helpful. Any questions, leave it in the comments or shoot me an email, and I'll be more than happy to help you. So thanks a lot. Have a great day. Bye.